Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to get Character AI Discord. To join Character AI Discord server, you can follow these steps. Search for Character AI Official Discord. You can look for an official invite link to Character AI Discord server, which might be shared through their official social media channel or website. You can check Character AI website. Sometimes platforms include invite links to their community Discord. You can also find in Reddit or community forums. Other users might share invite links to information on where to find the official Character AI Discord. Verify that the link is legitimate and not from the unofficial source. If you can't find it, try contacting Character AI support team to ask for direct invite link. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.